Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover function. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover function introduction. Function must return value to main routine. We can create function using create or replace function name with optional parameter list. Return data type is optional variable declaration. Function body within begin and end keyword. We can execute function by calling function from SQL block and assign it to variable. And we can drop function using drop function name. In the next program, I am going to cover function with parameters. We can create function with parameters and parameters with optional default values using default keyword or by assigning value. We can call function by passing parameters to function, where we can implicitly or explicitly assign values to parameters. Also, we can omit default values while passing parameters to function. In the next program, I am going to cover function parameter type. We can define the parameter as in, out, or in-out. Also, we can give the compiler a hint that reference memory management could be used, using no copy hint, which is applicable only for out or in-out parameter types. We can call the function with appropriate parameters and assign values for out or in-out parameter types. In the next program, I am going to cover inline function. We can embed function within SQL block, which can be called only within the SQL block in which it is defined. In the next program, I am going to cover nested function. We can define one function within another function, which is called as nested function. Nested function will be accessible only within the function in which it is defined. In the next program, I am going to cover function overloading. We can define multiple functions with same name, but with different parameters, which is called as function overloading. In the next program, I am going to cover recursive function. Function which calls itself is called recursive function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.